Okay, for those of you folks that like working on your own Kawasaki Voyager, there's a little bit of a problem with trying to get Phillips head screws out of the vehicle. They're torqued in pretty good, and it's not a normal type Phillips, like this would be a Craftsman Phillips here. You put it in there, and of course it feels tight, but it's not really. And if you try to put any pressure on it, especially if they torque these screws down, you end up stripping it out, making a real mess. So remember the shape of this screwdriver tip compared to this type. So I'll give you a link on where I got these from. You can see the tip is a little bit different. And the neat thing about these is they actually go all the way to the bottom of these screws. So now you can actually put a driver on this thing, like kind of similar to this one here. You can use any one you want. And now you can get in and put a lot of torque on it. The screw is all the way set down at the bottom. I should say the driver is already set all the way down at the bottom of the screw. And when you twist it, you'll be able to loosen these up without tearing them up. Another thing, of course, they say is to use the screwdriver in the toolkit that the vehicle came with. And of course, that's going to have a tip shape very similar to this one here. So I went ahead and bought like a package of 5 of these from Amazon. Again, I'll put a link on there for you. And this is pretty much what you want to use anytime you're taking off any Phillips. That way you can protect the screw, reuse them, not tear them up like I have in the past. I actually had a screw that held this on. Okay, so there's kind of like a bolt back here, and there was a Phillips head in here. Man, I tried everything, even an impact. I ended up rounding it out, having to drill it out and use a a screw extractor to get it out of there. Then I used an Allen head type of drive screw in its place. If I had just had this darn thing, I could have put it in there and got lots of torque on it and got that out of there. It shouldn't have been that tight in the first place, but it was. But guys, I'm telling you, man, if you're going to work on your bike, this is pretty much what you want to have. A set of these. So again, I'll put a link on there for you. They're very inexpensive, they're very high quality, and they're just kind of good to have around. Anyway, that's it, guys. So you know what to do. Like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for future content. I'll go ahead and get this on YouTube just as quickly as I can. Just wanted to try to save you guys some headache.